The first move almost every new investor should. What is happening, YouTube? Thank you for watching Mentorship Monday. My name is Matt Fairclough. My company is the DeRosa Group, and we are all about helping you guys out with Mentorship Monday stuff that you email to helpme@derosagroup.com. That is helpme@derosagroup.com, and we will answer your questions right here on the YouTube channel for you and everyone else to learn from. Today's question comes from, what is your name? I think your name's Frank. Frank? Yes. Okay. Hey, Frank. So Frank's question, Frank's at a crossroads, been married 15 years, got a kid, living with his mom and dad, totally fine, totally cool, no judgment. But makes a really good salary, and has some money saved up, and he's like, should I do an LLC thing? Frank's moved out of mom and dad's house a few times with his family, didn't work out, moved back in so he's like, should I just start up an LLC and buy a rental property, or should I buy a house for my family? So Frank, I think you should do both. I think you should do a house hack. And this goes for every new investor out there that is looking to get started, but is also renting. So it's what I did first time. It's what I think most successful investors I know started out with a rental property, lived in, and on Bigger Pockets, we call that a house hack. So the way it goes down is you're gonna go out and find, and for me, I lived in a single family home, and I rented out a couple of bedrooms to a couple of friends of mine. For Frank's case, you're not going to do that. You're going to go out and find yourself a duplex, triplex, quadruplex, anything up to 4 units, between a 2 and a 4 unit property. I get you got a kid, so you probably should buy something that's got a 3, or like let's say a 3-bedroom unit and then a 1 or a 2-bedroom unit attached to it, and maybe a few more of those. It'd be great if you can get 4. The reason why you want that is you can get a FHA low money down mortgage, anywhere between 3 to 5% down. Frank's admitting that he's got $30,000 saved up, so you could buy a sizable property at a sizable price at 3 to 5% down, and then your tenants living in the other 1 to 3 units. If you buy a 2 to a 4 unit property, you live in 1, you got 1 to 3 units left that are paying your rent. Those tenants will most likely pay your mortgage and then some. I have my property manager that works for the property management company we use. The guy that works for them, he lives in a unit in a 3-bedroom triplex, a 3-unit triplex. He lives in 1 unit, rents the other 2 out. So again, 3-unit property. He lives in 1, and he makes $800 a month in cash flow and lives there for free. Okay, so this is possible, Frank. It's possible for you. It is a great way for you to get yourself out from under mom and dad's house, which I get is not maybe where you want to be long term. And it allows you to get a rental property, get something for your family that you can live in, and start paying on the mortgage, and also have a rental property in the mix. And this is, again, for all you guys too, this is where you should start. If you've got reasonable credit, you've got a few dollars saved up, and you want to get into landlording and rental properties, buy a small multifamily and move into it. Nothing larger than 4 units, because for the programs that support the FHA stuff, the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac programs that are out there for low money down, only look at a 2, a 3, or a 4 family as something that you could occupy. Anything larger than that's considered a commercial mortgage, and you're not going to get a 3 to 5% down mortgage. So for a couple $1,000, you can move yourself into a really, really nice small multifamily, and build equity and have tenants in the property as well. So that's what I think you should do, Frank. You don't bring it up here in the email. You're asking me what you should do with regards to starting up an LLC or buying a home for your family. I say do both. Buy a rental property for your family. You're gonna have to hold it in your own name, not in an LLC. But it's something that I think that most investors don't realize, that that's an easy way to get started and learn the landlording game while also saving a ton of money on living expenses for themselves. So that is my answer to you, Frank. And for those of you guys that are watching, that is my answer for what new investors should do as the first step. Almost every new investor should do this as their first step for getting involved in investing. So that's what I got for you today, guys. Thank you for watching. Check out our YouTube page. Subscribe to our YouTube page. Check out our website, DeRosaGroup.com, where you can subscribe to our newsletter and hear all kinds of other cool stuff that the DeRosa Group is up to. Appreciate you guys, and have a great and profitable week.